Welcome to the high-speed world of the magnificent Denison barb. Scientifically known as Sahyadria denisonii, the fish originates from India.
The stunning species is often called the red-line torpedo barb. The sleek and aerodynamic body perfectly resembles a swimming torpedo.
Bright silver scales cover the entire main body of the fish.
A highly distinct, bold black stripe runs completely along the side. A striking bright red line beautifully highlights the front half.
Notice how the red stripe crosses directly over the eye.
The Denison barb reaches an impressive maximum size of 11 centimeters.
Unique yellow and black markings perfectly decorate the powerful tail fin.
Bright red coloration also highlights the front dorsal fin rays beautifully.
A large school creates a highly dynamic and entirely mesmerizing visual display.
Nose. The fish demonstrates incredible burst speed during active feeding times. The energetic fish often rests momentarily while facing strong water currents.
Despite the large size, the species displays a surprisingly peaceful personality.
The gentle giant completely ignores smaller peaceful community tank mates.
Provide a massive minimum tank volume of 50 gallons or 190 liters.
The active swimmer utilizes the entire horizontal swimming space continuously. A powerful fish frequently jumps quickly towards the water's surface, unexpectedly. Always ensure a securely fitted aquarium lid to prevent accidental jumping.
A layout filled with smooth river stones replicates the natural habitat.
River species absolutely requires a highly oxygenated water environment.
Maintain the water temperature coolly between 15 and 25 degrees.
The fish thrives exceptionally well in slightly cooler freshwater conditions.
The ideal pH level ranges from 6.8 to 7.8. The species demonstrates excellent health in strictly neutral water parameters. Keep the water hardness level carefully balanced between 4 and 10 kH. The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial color-enhancing flakes.
Sinking meat pellets are caught rapidly before they reach the bottom.
Live bloodworms trigger the incredible predatory accuracy of the fish.
The fish often nibbles gently on soft green algae for balanced nutrition.
Specialized vegetable matter supplements are crucial for long-term digestive health.
A perfectly plump and healthy belly indicates highly successful daily feeding.
The schooling group competes playfully and peacefully for floating food items.
Placing. Notice the incredibly clear and sharp eye structure looking constantly forward.
The species brings an undeniable level of premium elegance to any layout.
A quick turn reveals the completely symmetrical and highly aerodynamic profile.
Wild-caught specimens often display the absolute brightest and most intense colors.
Captive-bred specimens may grow larger, but feature slightly softer coloration.
The highly active fish swims continuously without resting throughout the entire day.
The sleek body navigates seamlessly through dense forests of tall plants.
The fish looks exactly like a miniature aquatic missile patrolling the waters.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by staying in the middle zone.
The fast-moving schooling group establishes a totally peaceful social hierarchy.
Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and pristine river environment.
Extreme hardiness is demonstrated only when specific cooler water parameters are met.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic plants.
The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
Confident School always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
The calm fish interacts peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
A completely black background poster makes the silver and red colors explode.
Completely transparent pectoral fins move rapidly to maintain perfect swimming balance.
During the quiet night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel.
A perfectly unblemished and totally clear tail fin propels the heavy body.
The fish brings an incredible burst of rapid movement to the static background.
A massive weekly water change keeps the highly sensitive aquatic environment stable.
A slight color fade indicates that the pristine water quality is dropping.
The powerful swimmer intentionally seeks out the strongest flow for daily exercise.
The species proves to be a highly rewarding centerpiece for dedicated aquarists.
The Denison barb demonstrates exactly why the family is universally loved worldwide.
The fish looks exactly like a premium luxury edition for large setups.
Behold the rapid and highly majestic beauty of the incredible Denison barb.
A large school creates a truly unforgettable and entirely mesmerizing visual masterpiece.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing premium fish care guides. Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful red-lined Torpedo barb? Tell us below.
The Denison barb is a true 5-star addition to any large biotope.
Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and rapid freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly oxygenated and your premium fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.
Always remember to appreciate the majestic centerpieces in your beautiful river aquarium. During a rare brief rest, the fish spreads the fins widely. Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the red and yellow markings visually explode.
The thoroughfish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food.
Notice the incredibly dense and overlapping silver scales covering the entire flank. Always avoid housing the peaceful species with aggressive or highly territorial cichlids.
Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible agility.
Subtle greenish iridescence is often visible directly above the bright red line.
Peaceful bottom-dwelling corridoras make completely fantastic and safe tank companions.
The omnivorous school eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of blanched zucchini. A tight-fitting lid is the absolute most important safety requirement, perfectly.
The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body during rapid swimming.
Natural dried Indian almond leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for experienced aquarists. Rapid gill plate movement processes the highly oxygenated river water continuously.
Species brings an undeniable level of sophisticated motion to any layout.
The schooling group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic uniform swimming pattern.
Simulated river rapids, created by strong water pumps, provide the ultimate environment.
The species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping premium river species.
A slightly thicker body profile perfectly indicates excellent and completely balanced nutrition.
The fish looks exactly like an elegant aquatic race car, dominating the kingdom.
The large schooling group calmly establishes a completely peaceful hierarchy without fighting.
Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly. The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for advanced keepers.